will be the Sfira of Malchut of Tiferet. The whole week we were talking about beauty, that Tiferet is beauty. And we know that Malchut is kingdom, kingship, which the Malchut, you want to apply it into something holy, what's called Malchut Kedusha, holy Malchut. Now, in the characteristics of being a leader, there's some type of a beauty there. A good leader is able to take after him a lot of people. Unfortunately, sometimes people use it for a very negative way, but we want to concentrate on positive things. A good leader is able to take after him a lot of people. Why? Because there's some type of a beauty in leadership. And sometimes you see a great rabbi or a great scholar or a great leader that he's able to be so charismatic that everybody's like, wow. We don't want to concentrate now on negative leaders. There's enough of them. There's actually more negative leaders than positive leaders. But a leader, a real good leader, has a certain charisma and it has a certain charm. And we always see that Malchut, the kingship and leadership, is always connected with beauty. Where do we see that? Then we always like going to our sources. And the Torah, many times, if you really actually read the Torah, because most people, they know how to criticize the Torah, but they never read the Torah. That's the majority of people. They know how to badmouth the Torah, how to complain, and definitely how to criticize it. And then you ask them, have you ever read the Torah? No, I read some. Well, first read everything, then criticize it. The ones who have the most complaints on the Torah never actually read it. There is a verse in the book of Yeshayahu, in Isaiah 33, in chapter 33, verse 17, where it says, Melech beyofyo techezena enecha. The king in his beauty shall your eyes behold. Which saying, in other words, that a king has to be beautiful. Not beautiful how he looks, the actions, the charisma, the charm. Can you imagine what charisma Moshe Rabbeinu had? Of course he had enemies. If a leader doesn't have enemies, something's wrong with the leader. So that's a rule. So of course Moshe Rabbeinu had some enemies. But can you imagine the charisma of Moshe Rabbeinu, how he looked? I can't even imagine to see a Moshe Rabbeinu. And sometimes you see these amazing leaders in our past, you see beauty. Besides that, there is a halacha that a king has to always carry himself nice and beautiful and organized, combed, neat, not like a shloch, what they say. But nevertheless, so we learn from this pasuk that beauty will always be connected to leadership and what's called malchut, kingship.